Everybody, it's June back at it again with another video. Getting to it TV. It's been a while. Good to see y'all. Quick video before I go to work. I got this package of these Nike Flight Reacts I ordered from Jimmy Jazz, and they came yesterday, so I'm gonna unbox them before I go to work real quick. Let's get right to it, y'all. It's good to see you. I hope everybody been doing good. You know what I mean? Through this COVID, be safe, protect yourself, protect your family. Mask up when you go out. You know what I mean? Secaucus, New Jersey. Let's put this away. And y'all know what these is. Different box. How much were these? Well, I got them on sale for $140. The original price is $170. You know what these are. These are gonna be the Flight React, a different type of Jordan 1. I was really interested to see them. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing them because they're kind of wild. Woo! These look good. These look good. I like them already. The leather quality is nice. Different material on the side. I don't know if that's canvas or not, but it's really nice. That's the deal. Let's do the outside of the shoe. Oh yeah, the detail is very nice. They popped out to me once I saw them. The colors are crazy. Let me let you get a look at that inside. Take that insole out. Whoa, these laces are humongous. Different. This is very different from what I'm used to with a Jordan 1. I'm really missing that emblem on the side though. How you guys feel about that? I feel like they should have left that print there. It's neat how they did it though, I guess. You know what I mean? Insides has that gold thing in there. Big size 12 for me. And these are the Nike Jordan 1 Reacts. I like them. I really do. The leather is good. This bottom, check out the bottom. That Jumpman logo. You know what I mean? I like the tongue. You got Jordan React on there. Jordan 1 in the back. Jordan 1. These are nice. It kind of reminds me of a PlayStation controller. That printing on the tongue. 80-ish. Real 80-esque to me. That's what I get out of it. Yeah, just a quick review, guys. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to like the channel. Subscribe to it. We'll be doing more videos. I got some more stuff coming in. I'm going to keep it a surprise. But these Reacts are definitely fire. I love them. Let's check it out. Give you a closer view. Nice. Ooh, look at that. No holes right here. See the little differences? No holes right there. Got the holes inside this little piece. So you can't see the holes. It's crazy. All right, guys. Just a quick review. I got to go to work. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Peace.